Can I get reimbursed for mortgage payments, taxes, and other carrying costs I paid after my spouse died if the property ends up being shared with other heirs? Often, yes. If the home ends up owned by multiple heirs at the same time, the law generally treats you as cotenants, meaning shared owners. In that situation, a cotenant who pays expenses that preserve the property can usually ask for contribution, meaning the other cotenants reimburse their fair share. The kinds of costs that commonly qualify include property taxes, homeowner's insurance, necessary repairs, and certain mortgage or loan payments tied to acquiring and preserving the property. Reimbursement is most often handled during a partition case, which is the court process used to divide the property or sell it and split the proceeds. In that process, the court can do an accounting, approve documented carrying costs, and then credit you back before the remaining proceeds are divided among the heirs. Your result depends on details like whether the property truly became shared ownership, whether the payments were necessary carrying costs, and whether you can prove what you paid and when. Also, if you lived in the home and had exclusive possession, the other heirs may argue for an offset, like a fair rental value credit, that could reduce what you get reimbursed. Keep strong records, mortgage statements, tax bills and receipts, insurance bills, repair invoices, and proof of the date of death and who held title, because missing documentation is one of the biggest reasons reimbursement claims get reduced or denied. And separately from cotenant reimbursement, a surviving spouse may have a year's allowance claim in the estate, which can have a strict deadline if an estate representative has been appointed.